Are you looking for the best cheap Chinese drones? In this video we will look at some of the best cheap Chinese drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SX1 Max GPS Drone. The SX1 Max GPS Drone Professional 4K Camera 3-axis Gimbal Aerial FPV Brushless with Large Screen Remote Control Folding Drone brings a feeling of freedom that many people search for but rarely experience. When it rises into the air, the world below turns into a peaceful place filled with colors, shapes, and movements that feel more meaningful from above. This change in perspective often creates an emotional pull that makes every flight feel special. Its smooth and confident motion helps beginners and skilled users feel safe as they guide it across open fields, busy streets, or calm riversides. Each direction feels steady, encouraging the user to explore without hesitation. The brushless system adds a level of comfort, giving the drone strength and stability that invites longer journeys. The 4K clarity captures scenes with detail that touches the heart. Morning mist, glowing sunsets, tall buildings, and quiet countryside paths all appear vivid and inspiring. People often find themselves watching the footage again because it reminds them of moments they want to remember forever. The large screen remote control enhances the experience by giving a clear view that makes every movement easier to follow. This connection between the drone and the user creates a natural flow, allowing creativity to grow during each session. The folding design offers convenience for those who love traveling or exploring new places. Whether someone wants artistic shots, personal memories, or peaceful sky views, the SX1 Max GPS Drone Professional model becomes a trusted partner that brings joy, curiosity, and a deeper appreciation of the world from above. Number 2. Hot 4K L600 Pro Max GPS Drone. The Hot 4K Professional High-Definition Dual-Camera L600 Pro Max GPS Drone 5km 3-axis Gimbal 360 Obstacle Avoidance Brushless Quadcopter brings a sense of wonder that touches anyone who watches it rise into the sky. The moment it leaves the ground, the surroundings begin to feel different, as if familiar places gain new depth and quiet beauty. People who dream of capturing moments that carry emotion often find this drone becoming the tool that turns imagination into real memories. Its steady behavior gives confidence to both new users and experienced flyers. Each smooth movement feels reassuring, allowing the person holding the controller to focus on the joy of discovery instead of worry. The obstacle awareness adds comfort because the drone understands what is around it and responds with intelligence, making every trip calmer and safer. The dual camera design with high-definition clarity transforms scenes into powerful visuals. Soft sunlight, gentle shadows, deep colors, and distant landscapes appear alive when viewed through the lens. Many users feel emotionally attached to the recordings because they hold unique moments seen from a view that feels almost magical. The brushless structure strengthens the sense of reliability, helping the drone stay stable even during long explorations. Whether used for creative work, peaceful outdoor time, or exciting travel adventures, the aircraft becomes a companion that turns simple days into something memorable. Number 3. RG101 PRO 2-axis Drone. The RG101 PRO 2-axis Gimbal 8K 5G High-Definition Camera Professional Drone Brushless Remote Control 5km Quadcopter with Obstacle Avoidance brings a sense of inspiration from the very first moment it leaves the ground. As it rises, everyday surroundings start to feel bigger, calmer, and more meaningful, almost as if the sky opens a new way of seeing the world. People who dream of capturing moments that feel personal often find this drone offering something deeper than simple aerial footage. The steady behavior gives the user comfort, helping both newcomers and experienced flyers feel calm while guiding it. Each movement flows smoothly, creating trust and allowing the person holding the controller to enjoy the moment without tension. The obstacle awareness adds an important layer of safety, making every flight more peaceful because the drone understands the space around it. The 8K clarity reveals colors and shapes that feel alive. Golden horizons, quiet lakes, busy roads, or green hills appear with detail that touches the heart. People often return to their recordings because the visuals remind them of moments they never want to forget. The brushless structure strengthens stability, allowing longer explorations without stress. Whether someone wants peaceful sky views, creative videography, or a way to bring new emotion into travel experiences, this aircraft becomes a reliable companion. The RG101 PRO model encourages users to explore more, dream further, and appreciate familiar places through a new lens. Its presence turns ordinary days into memories that feel richer, making the desire to own it grow naturally with every thought.